Yo, what's good YouTube? How's it going? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to get the Xbox Game Pass completely for free. This is going to include all the games, and basically all these games are for free. And also you're going to get the Xbox Cloud Gaming, so you can play on your TV as well. And of course, this comes with the PC version. All these new games just added, and obviously you can play all these games all in the cloud. Ubisoft, it comes with that as well. So what I wanted to do is basically show you guys how to go ahead and get this. This is completely for free, and I'm going to run you through and show you guys how to get this coupon code for your free Xbox Game Pass. And let me just show you this does actually work. Let's see, let's get a game. Let's just say you want to play, well, what's a cool new game? This one, let's say. It's just got added to the Game Pass. You click it. Alrighty, and this is just on my TV, and then you can just play it, and you can play the cloud playable with Game Pass. You just press get ready to play, and then you pair a controller, and you can play. So what we're going to do is basically show you guys how to get this Xbox Game Pass for free. So I'm going to turn on my screen recording on my iPhone right now. Simply follow along. We're going to go to a coupon website to go ahead and get this. So you want to come to this website called www.coupon, and then dealers.com, so DEALERS.com. So www.coupondealers.com. And then once you're here, you're going to find all these kind of coupons. Just find the free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, press on get code. Okay, you get a 3-month code for free. 2 sponsored apps required. I'm going to explain basically how this works. So press on show coupon code. There's about 500 of these left, so you're just going to want to follow along and do this. Alrighty, so it's going to say coupons valid. Alrighty, and it's going to say here is this code. Now this code is locked. So what we're going to do is unlock this. I'm going to show you basically how this works. It's basically kind of a way to stop bots, but this is basically how it works. You press on get full code, and don't worry, we're going to unlock this code in just a second, so don't worry about that. As you guys can see, it's going to load here, and it's going to say, 2 of these need to be completed to unlock your code. These apps sponsor coupon dealers, and we cannot provide our code without them. So what is happening here is these companies such as Modo, Rico Social, and Rate have gone ahead and purchased these Xbox Game Pass codes. And in order for you to go ahead and get them, they want you to go ahead and get their app. And these apps are completely for free, whether it be on the iOS store or Android store. I'm going to run you through and show you just how easy this is to do, and basically what you need to do. So you tap on it, read the instructions on them. Make sure you're pressing it through the buttons like I'm doing right here. And it's going to take you to a page like this. It's going to say, press on the red button to search. Then it says, type in that word, find Modo in position 1, and then install it. And then that's going to count as one of them. So obviously these app companies, this is part of their marketing budget. They want you to go ahead. They want more users for their apps. But once you've got your Game Pass, you don't have to use them anymore. It's not like a subscription or anything weird like that. It's just simply go ahead and get their app. These are free apps off the App Store. And as long as you can follow some basic instructions, you're going to get free Xbox Game Pass. So this is working in July of 2026 as well. Also, guys, give this video a like if it does work for you so far, or you got your code, so other people know. So as you guys can see, we have gone ahead and completed that. And that's going to wait for it to finish downloading. And then you open it up, and that counts as one of them. So there's going to be heaps of different ones here in this list. Just make sure whichever ones you do get, go ahead, read the instructions. Make sure you guys are going ahead and doing this. Very, very important, guys. Go ahead and press open. Okay. And this one just wants you to go ahead and get the Rico Social app. I already got it here, so it wants you to go ahead, create an account, use it. Very, very easy, guys. And yeah, you just go ahead and read the instructions, wait for them to load, and you should be all good. As you guys can see, you can sign up, play the Rico app. But once you've completed at least 2 of these, all you need to do is go ahead and then press on the back button. This little 0 of 2 will update. It's because I've already completed this one. It's going to bug out a bit. But basically, once you've completed 2, you're just going to simply press on the back button, and now your code is going to be unlocked. So now you can go ahead and redeem this on the Microsoft Store, your Xbox, your PC, your cloud gaming TV, and it is that easy to get your code. And then you come back in here and redeem it. So hope you guys enjoyed. This is how easy it is, guys. The Xbox Game Pass completely for free, working as of July 2026. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.